As we break into chapter 6, we're going to talk about angle measure, and so you're going to see stuff that I'm sure you thought about seeing before, but up till now we've been talking about the unit circle, and we've been talking about how there are pi radians when you go halfway, and there are another pi radians when you go the rest of the way. So there are 2 pi radians in the full circle. Remember, a radian is taking that radius, that distance, and stretching it tightly around the circle and going as far as you can. There's this angle right here is 1 radian. It's about 57 degrees. I can't remember. It's doesn't matter. It's around there. But what we've done is we've been talking about 2 pi, pi over 6, pi fourths, 3 pi over 4. We haven't really talked about degrees very much. But now let's talk degrees, because when we go all the way this way, that is 180 degrees. You've heard about, I need to make a 360-degree turn. Well, 360 degrees is all the way back around. That's not repentance. So anyway, 180 degrees is halfway around, and what we do when we want to convert, if we have, say, 2.7 radians, and we want to make that into degrees, we're going to multiply by this unit multiplier, which is 180 degrees divided by pi radians. The radians cancel. 2.7 times 180 divided by pi is whatever it is. Your calculator will show you. But that's how we convert from degrees to radians. If we have degrees and we want to convert to radians, we're going to multiply by the flip of that. Let's say we have 37 degrees and I want to know how many radians that is. I'm going to multiply by pi radians divided by 180 degrees. Notice how my units that I want to cancel, one's in the numerator and one's in the denominator. So I can cancel these units and I'm left with 37 times pi divided by 180. That is the key to a unit multiplier. This thing right here is nothing but a big fat 1. And 1 times anything is that thing. The reason it looks different is on the top I have radians, on the bottom I have degrees, but in the end it's that same feature. It's that same this much. Whether it's radians or degrees, it's that much. Anything divided by that same thing is 1, and I can multiply by it and not change what I'm multiplying, which is what I want. I want to convert, I don't want to change. Hope that helps.